Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how you can make over $200 a day with affiliate marketing, even if you have zero experience. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of marketing where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission on every sale that you make. It's a great way to make money online, even if you don't have your own products or services to sell. Why is affiliate marketing so profitable? There are a few reasons why affiliate marketing is so profitable. First, you don't have to worry about creating or shipping products. You simply promote other people's products and earn a commission on every sale. This means that you can start making money right away, without having to invest any upfront costs. Second, affiliate marketing is scalable. As your traffic and sales increase, so does your income. This means that there's no limit to how much money you can make with affiliate marketing. So, how can you make over $200 a day with affiliate marketing? Here are a few tips. 1. Find a high-paying affiliate program. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. Some programs offer much higher commissions than others. Do some research to find affiliate programs that offer high commissions on products that you're passionate about. 2. Build a large audience. The more people you reach, the more sales you'll make. There are many ways to build an audience, such as starting a blog, creating a YouTube channel, or running social media ads. 3. Create high-quality content. Your content is what will convince people to click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. Make sure your content is informative, engaging, and persuasive. 4. Use effective marketing strategies. There are many different marketing strategies that you can use to promote your affiliate links. Some popular strategies include email marketing, social media marketing, and paid advertising. 5. Be patient and persistent. It takes time and effort to build a successful affiliate marketing business. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep learning, growing, and experimenting, and you will eventually reach your goals. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online, even if you have zero experience. By following the tips in this video, you can start making over $200 a day with affiliate marketing in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to make money online.